Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I have another mystery box today. Yep, this one is, again, very special because one of my subscribers DM'd me on Instagram wanting to send me this. Her name is Catherine, and she has a thrifted / upcycled Depop account. All of her pieces are so cute. This is her Depop account. I'll link it below as well. She DM'd me and she said she came across my YouTube channel and absolutely loved my energy and style. And then she said, I'd love to send you a free mystery bundle just for fun. I think you'd really vibe with the pieces I have in mind. So I have absolutely no idea what's even in here, how many pieces are in here. It's a little box, but it's very heavy, so we will see. Everything is a complete surprise. I only gave her my sizes. So let's unbox. This is so sweet. Like, I can't believe she messaged me to do this. It's very nice of her. She was so sweet and shipped it so fast. So I'm gonna unbox everything first and then I'll try it all on at the end. Here we go. As always, I'm gonna show you guys first. Tell me how it looks. Is it cute? What do you guys see? Stop. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, let's read the little card first. It says, I'm so excited to gift you this bundle. Each piece was rescued and ready to be reloved by you. Can't wait to see your magic in styling them. With love, Catherine. So cutie. She gave me some freebies. Oh, she knew that I'm into press-on nails lately. Oh my God. Oh, they have like little clouds and butterflies on them. That's so cute. Oh my God, how did she know? A little Cancer sign necklace. My birthday was July 1st, if you didn't know. Oh, that was nice of her. Oh, there's more. A whole little baggie of goodies. Let's open. Red silk scrunchie. Oh my God, she sent me so much. Cute little ring. Wait, I'll open it so you can see it better. Oh, that's really cute. Look at that. How pretty. Got a little butterfly on it. I think I have it upside down. A little hair tie, I think. Pearl earrings. Those are really cute. Oh my God, you guys, look at this hair clip. Oh my God, it's a little apple. I love it. Oh, there's a strawberry one too. Oh my God. And then we have some stickers. Okay, let's see what's in the mystery box. Okay, I can already see two things on top. They already look cute. This is my view. Okay, I kind of want to grab the top first. Let's look. Oh my God, look at that. I'm speechless. That's so freaking cute. It's got this really pretty beaded neckline, really deep V-neck cut, which is really cute. I love the color too. It's kind of like this champagne gold. Ooh, this is gonna be so cute. Vintage paper tag, love that. This is fun. Look at all the beading. It's honestly crazy. So sparkly. And it's got like the big flower down here. Wowie. Okay, next. I see some denim. Is it a mini skirt? Oh my God. Cute. Oh my God, it's like super old American Eagle. I love this little like detail on the back here, like these two panels. Cute stitching on the back pocket. I love that the bottom is like distressed. Love the wash on this too. It just looks vintage, which I love. Oh, so cute. I love me a good denim mini skirt, honestly. Oh, look at the inside of the pockets. That's so cute. Just a nice little touch. Oh, I didn't even notice the back pocket's like sparkly. It's like pink sparkly stitching right here. Oh, that's so cute. Oh wait, I need to look at it more. I'm like showing it to the camera and like not even looking at it. It's got pink stripes poking through here. Oh my God, that's so cute. I wonder if she did that or if it just like came like that. Because she said like some pieces were upcycled, so she might have done that herself, but it's so cute. I love that. The little pink glitter stitching really got me. Alrighty, next. Oh, what is this? Oh, is this the front? Oh, I think that's the front. Oh my God. Wait, let me tie it so you can see. I think I tied the bow upside down, but you get the point. It's this like tan ribbed t-shirt, but then it has this really cute like white ribbon that you can tie in a bow. I wonder if you could also like make it a halter top. Maybe not. Oh, I guess you could, honestly. You could wear it like that, maybe. It's also detachable, which is really cool. Like buttons right there. That's super cute. Next. Oh, this is so cute. Stop. Oh my God, look at this. Pink and black. I love the collar. Can we take a moment? Just admire that. Look at that. I'm honestly such a big fan of like the high neck and like high collar tops right now too. Got a little, I don't know if you can see, it's like a little keyhole cut out there in the middle. And then it's got the puff sleeve. That's so cute. I love the material. Oh, and then it has like the ruching on the side here. Makes you extra snatched. This is fun. I like this a lot. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, next. What do we have here? Ooh, I feel some velvet. Oh wow, this is gonna be, oh my God, this is gonna be so cute on. I already know. I love the shape of it. Look Look at that. It's like this velvet tank top, but it has this really cool twist in the front there. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of hard to tell. All the fabrics just like blending in together on camera, but it's so cute. I love the neckline, super soft. I love how it like layers out at the bottom too a little bit. That silhouette is just like so flattering. So I'm so excited to try this on. Next, I see some brown corduroy and I see a Hollister tag. Oh, these are cute. Wait, look at that. Oh my god, how cute are these? They're Hollister high-rise flare corduroy pants. I feel like these are gonna be so comfy for some reason. They just feel so soft. And I feel like this is just gonna be a nice like essential pair of pants to have in my closet. They're so cute. You guys know I love flare-legged pants and jeans. Like that's just all I reach for these days. So this is perfect. Okay, there's a few more things in here. I see some more denim. Ooh, what are these? Ooh, I see the Guess tag. Oh, stop. Stop it right now. I'm gagged. I'm gagged. Actually, look at these. Oh my god, they're little like capri jorts, kind of. Are they jorts? Are they capris? I don't know. Either way, they're so cute. They're vintage Guess. There's the tag. I love the little patch on the back. Look at the back pockets. Oh my god, I love the waistband. Look at this. So cute. Kind of like a fold over button waistband there. And the leg has like this really thick cuff, which is so cute. I've honestly been wanting a pair of jorts like these. I don't know if I can pull them off, so we will see in the try on, but I want to. Like I want to pull them off. They're so cute. Okay, and then I think this is the last thing. These look really cool. I see more denim and I see a really cool like patch thing. I'm curious. Let's see what these are. Ooh, and I see red stitching. More jeans. Oh, it's a skirt. Stop it. Stop. This is so good. Oh my god. Vintage paper tag, made in USA, denim maxi skirt. I think this is my favorite thing. She really saved the best for last. She tucked it away at the bottom there. Oh my god, look at this. Let's look at the back. It's got this really sick patch there with like a metal brooch almost. This is the brand Milan Jeans. I love the red stitching. I feel like that just adds so much. And then it has like this whole distressed stitching or like panel on the side there. And then it's got this really big slit in the front, which is so sick. Oh my god, I'm so hyped about this one actually. Oh my god, I can't wait to try that on. Wow. She did so good. So she sent me 4 tops and 4 bottoms. That's perfect. And all those little freebies at the beginning. Let's see. I think my favorite thing, I'll pick 2. I'll pick a bottom and a top. My favorite bottom, the denim skirt. I'm sorry, I had to. It's so good. I feel like it's gonna fit me really good too. Like I can just tell. And then I think my favorite top is the velvet one. Definitely. It was so freaking cute. Okay, now that we have everything unboxed, let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, we are starting off with the black velvet top. Isn't this just the cutest top ever? I love the silhouette and I love the little twist front there, and I did wear it a little bit more off the shoulder. You could just wear it as like a normal tank top too, which is really cute. But yeah, I just love this whole outfit. I paired it with a polka dot flowy mini skirt and my platform Mary Jane's, and it came out really cute. This top is very cutesy, but it also kind of gives off that like 90s it girl type of vibe, and I feel like it could just be styled so many different ways, so I really love this. Oh my god, you guys, this skirt fits perfectly. I knew it would for some reason. I can just tell when I like held it up, but it is so good. This is honestly just giving me major cool girl vibes. It's a bit more edgy, but I wanted to pair it with something red, so I paired it with this vintage red butterfly top. I thought it went perfectly with the red stitching, and then I just paired it with some really chunky platform boots, this really cool vintage like croc bag that I really love. But yeah, I'm just in love with this outfit and the skirt. 10 out of 10. Okay, next is the vintage American Eagle denim mini skirt. This is actually really cute. I knew it would be, but I really like it. I love the like patchwork and the pink poking out and the pink stitching on the back pockets. This is so cute. I paired it with a vintage Nike long sleeve tee, although I do wish I had one of the vintage like Hollister or Aeropostale like Henley tops that are really popular right now. Did you guys see that they relaunched a 2000s collection? It was actually kind of cute. Maybe I should get some stuff. But anyways, this outfit's still cute regardless. I also paired it with my Sambas and then just a long brown messenger bag. I feel like this is a really cute like back to school type outfit, even though I'm unk status and way past my school years. But
just found out I'm chopped and also Unk.
You know, still cute. All right, now we have the vintage Guess denim Bermuda shorts. I was low-key scared of these, I can't lie, because I feel like longer shorts are just so not flattering on me. But these surprised me. I actually really like them on. They kind of remind me of the ones I used to wear like as a kid all the time. They were like plaid. They were really popular back in the day. And in like every school photo, I ate those up. Like I would always wear those. So anyways, I went for like a little summery vibe with this outfit. I paired it with this really cute floral graphic tank and then my really chunky platform flip-flops, which I feel like look really good with these shorts actually. And then just a red bag to tie in the red. And there we have it. Next are the Hollister brown corduroy pants. Look how cute. I love these. I love that they're flare, obviously. They fit nicely. Love the texture. And I feel like these are gonna be a nice essential pair of pants for me, especially in the fall. I just paired them with this striped V-neck rib top. I thought the colors went really well with the brown. And then my Sambas again. And oh, this vintage Victoria's Secret little handbag that I just thrifted. I thought the colors, again, look really good with the brown. So super cutie. Okay, moving on, we have the tan ribbed bow top. This is so cute. I honestly was unsure about this, but once I put it on, I felt like it looked so good. I just feel like the bow is so fun. I love that. So I went for a brown monochromatic moment with this outfit. So brown plaid mini skirt, brown knee-high boots, and then a brown leather bag as well. This is just so adorable, right? Next up is this pink and black ruffle top that I'm actually in love with, okay? Like this is so good. Love the high neck, love this like ruffle drop down collar type of thing. It's got the little cutout and the puff sleeve. Oh, I just love it. I styled it with the plain black mini skirt, some knee-high socks, and my ballet flats. I feel like this outfit is very workwear, office siren, baddie chic, and we love that here, okay? 10 out of 10. Okay, last but not least is the gold sparkly beaded long sleeve top. I think this might be one of my top favorites too from this mystery box. Like it's so good. I absolutely love it. It's got kind of like almost like a shimmer to it too, to the fabric. It's so cool. I love it. Anyways, I kind of went full fall mode with this outfit. I have on my Uggs, of course. And then I also paired this with these vintage mud jeans that have this really cool like lace up detail on the sides here. I thought that looked really cute with this top. And then again, just my brown bag and brown sunnies. And there we have it. This is just perfect. All right, you guys, sadly that is it for today's video. Thank you again, Catherine, for this mystery box. It was 10 out of 10. I absolutely loved everything. Make sure you guys leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite piece was from this mystery box. And make sure you also follow me on Instagram and TikTok to see more of my everyday life. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!